to learn about and one of advanced and super important concept in Angular, Zone.js and performance optimization. If you are an Angular developer looking to boost your app performance, then this video is for you. So let's start. So first off, let's understand what John.js actually is. So Zone.js is a library that Angular keep uses to keep track of asynchronous operations like API calls, set timeout, promise, and more. It helps Angular know exactly when to run change detection and update the UI. So think of a John.js as a spy that watches your async code and makes sure the UI is updated whenever something is changing. So now this conveniences comes at a cost, and the cost is performance. Now, John.js can trigger change detection way too frequently, causing our app to slow down. But don't worry, today we will see how to control it efficiently. So, let me give you a quick example of how John.js works. So imagine we have a simple set timeout function that logs something after 1 second. Look on this code, please. So now when this code runs, John.js patches the set timeout method to detect when it starts and when it ends. After it finishes, Angular will trigger change detection to update the UI even if nothing is changing. So this unnecessary change detection can really impact performance in large application. So let me show you a real Angular example. We will start a counter that update every second. Yeah, this one. Now let's address the problem. Imagine we have a counter that update every second. This triggers change detection every single time, even when the UI doesn't need it. So to optimize this, we can use Angular's ngZone to tell Angular to skip change detection. So in this code, we are using ngZone dot runs outside Angular to run the counter outside Angular's zone. This means no change detection is triggered every second, resulting in much better performance. But sometimes we actually want to update the UI. So to do it, we use ngZone.run to explicitly trigger change detection. So here we are updating the UI every 5 seconds instead of every second, and this selective change detection strategy significantly improve performance of our application. So now if you are feeling adventurous, you can even disable john.js entirely. So we have to update our main file like this. But remember one thing, if you are disabling john.js, you lose automatic change detection and have to manually trigger it using change detection ref dot detect changes. so which we discussed in last video as well. So this approach will give you a full control, but this is very challenging. Now let's talk about some uh, best practices for John.js optimization. So we have to use on push strategy, limit asynchronous operations, track performance, measures first, and so guys, that's it for a video. That's it for this video, and I hope you found this John.js interested and helpful. And if you did, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more advanced Angular content. And please drop a comment if you have any question or suggestion for future topics. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.